What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Sales Cloud platform or CRM platform or customer relationship management platform by Salesforce and its different features. So Sales Cloud is a great CRM or customer relationship management platform that allows you to manage your business's pipeline, close deals, connect to customers, and so much more. So let's get right to it. So first you need to go to their website, that's salesforce.com/products/sales-cloud, or simply search for Salesforce Sales Cloud. Sorry, hit enter, and you will be in the first result here. That's the one that you want. Now let's go back to the homepage and close this search. Now you can go ahead and scroll down to see some businesses that are trusting them, as well as some features of the platform. So you can build here strong customer relationships and grow your revenue and grow your business, of course. Here you can manage your leads or your customers. Here you can view the account and opportunity management features, and you can get visibility to stay on track. Forecast management, you can manage your pipelines for your projects, and you can get reports and dashboards and statistics for your business. Here you can drive productivity with automatic sales processes, such as workflow and process automation to automate your workflow and tasks, quoting and contract approval, as well as CRM or customer relationship management. And here you get some features such as sales engagement, sales AI, sales analytics, sales performance managing, and you can view all their products right here. Now let's take a look at their pricing. Here they have three plans: the starter, the professional, and the enterprise. Now the starter starts at $25 per user per month, up to the enterprise, which is $165 per user per month. Now you can here start to view the features of each plan to decide which one is best for you. And of course you have two other plans, the unlimited and the Einstein One Sales, which goes up to $500 per user per month, which is paid or billed annually. Now here you can contact them to get to the Einstein One Sales, and you can go ahead and see some reviews and some testimonials by business owners and stuff like that. Now let's start for free or get a free trial to try out the service for ourselves. Click here to try for free. In here you are asked to enter your first and last name and job title. So I'll go ahead and finish this form pretty quickly. Okay, number of employees, let's say 1 to 20. The company, let's say How to Simple. Now it detects my country automatically. I'm in Egypt. Okay, let's leave it as it is. Next. Now I need to enter my phone and my email. So I'll go ahead and enter my phone and my email to get back to you pretty quickly. Okay, now they are setting up my main dashboard here. And it's done setting up, and I'll be redirected right now. Now here they ask me a couple of additional questions to further customize my experience. What brings me to Salesforce? Let's say a bit of everything. Okay, next. Do any of these feel like familiar challenges? Okay. Let's say contacts and info are disorganized. Okay, submit. And now I'm redirected to my main dashboard. Here, as you can see, I need to verify my email first. However, I'll just do that later. Now here I'm on the trial with 30 days left or a month left. Here I have my main dashboard. Of course, I don't have any leads or opportunities or customers right now since I've just created my account. So this is my leads. I don't have any leads. I can click on new to add new leads here if I want to. It'll open up like a pop-up where I can enter the lead name manually. So the salutation, the name, the company, the title, the website, email, and stuff like that to add them. Okay, let's close this pop-up for now. Now here I have the opportunity, and again I don't have any opportunities since I've just created the account. By clicking on new, I can add new business opportunities right here. So the opportunity name, the account name, the close date, and the amount, description, and so on. Here, let's close this. I can have here my contacts. I can get recent records for the services dashboard, open case priority, open cases, and stuff like that. And here I have all the cases by priority. And that's it for my main dashboard. Now I have, this is the home. I can here get to contacts, the contacts tab. I can view all the contacts. I can add contacts or import contacts from other service. So if I click on import right here, I can start importing the contacts from a file like a CSV file, or sync with Google or Microsoft to import my contacts from there. Let's close this now. Okay, confirm. I can add cadence. I can add new contacts. I can filter my contacts if I want to, if however I don't have any. Or I can add contacts manually with the form that I showed you in the last page. Now let's close this. Okay, dismiss. And here I can view some statistics. I can edit the list. I can refresh. I can filter them. And I can view the list view control. I can view the new, clone, rename, sharing settings, and stuff like that. Now next I have accounts. I can see all my accounts. I can also filter them or like arrange them by account name, by phone, by website, by billing city, or others. I can here also import accounts from a CSV file if I want to. Okay, let's dismiss it for now. I can add new accounts if I want to, entering the account name, the website, the type, description, and so on. And also I can view statistics, I can filter them, I can refresh, I can edit the list and view the list controls and so on. Now, next I have sales, which will give me all the open leads. I can also like arrange them by name, company, state, phone, and so on. And I can here go and go view all the open leads, my unread leads, recently views, and stuff like that. And I can also filter them. And again, I can add new leads. I can import leads. Let's go. I can change the owner and I can add to cadence and I can filter them as well. Now here I can view all the options here at the top, as well as from the menu here or on the bar on the left. I can view opportunities, products, price books, calendar, analytics. So let's go to products pretty quickly. And now I can add products, I can get printable view and so on. Now in the calendar, I can get a calendar view of all my appointments, all my leads, all my business opportunities, and all of that. And I can add new events right here, as well as change the calendar view from day, week, month, and table, and so on. Adding new event is pretty easy. I just need to enter the subject, description, and the date, the people that are participating, the related records, and so on, and then create it. Okay. And in the analytics, I can get like some, I can view like a summary of all my recent tasks and the stuff that I did. Now here I have service. I can view all the open cases. I can also add a case. I can change the owner. I can merge cases. I can also filter them and edit the list and so on. And now I have commerce, in which I can send and receive payments securely. And I have here my account settings and statistics. And it shows that it shows no information because I don't have any subscribers yet. I can click here to buy now if I want to. So that's pretty much it. And now I can go to my profile here to view the profile settings, as well as the options. I can view the settings here, quick settings and notifications, and I can get help from here. So that was like a quick overview of the Sales Cloud by Salesforce and its different features.